Okay, so here we are on the upper level of Yorktown Center Mall here in Lombard, Illinois. This is the second floor of Von Mauer. It's 3 floors. We're in between the 3rd floor and the 1st floor of this store. We're just going to walk around the mall. There's the wing towards, I believe, JCPenney, and the eatery, or the food court. Right down there, beside us on the right, is the center court. There's a children's play place down there. This mall was built in 1968, but as you could tell, it's gotten renovations in recent years, which it looks so much nicer. It was nice when it was older, but I like this style better because it makes it more inviting. Right there is the kids' play place. It was a lot older back then. I used to come here to this mall all the time as a child. That's where the former Carson's Pirie Scott was. It hasn't been occupied since. Right over here is where the other side of the mall, the shops on Butterfield Road. You're just walking back. There's the glass, one of the glass elevators. So let's finish off the rest of the tour of this mall. I stopped recording here because I was taking videos of the elevators here too for my YouTube channel. I turned the volume down in this part of the clip because there's copyrighted music playing and I don't want YouTube to copyright me. But here's the shops on Butterfield on the other side of the mall. This mall is in between Highland Avenue and Butterfield Road. Here we go back into the mall. By the way, dogs are allowed here, pet dogs specifically, because this mall is now pet friendly, as well as, of course, allowing service dogs, which is legally required. Let's take a look at this directory here. It shows where we are and it shows all the anchors. I don't know if this is recently updated. I didn't get a really good look at it. But right up there is the sign where it says the shops on Butterfield. It's been there since 2006. That's when this part of the mall was added. Here's the mall here. There's some more pet dogs. As I've said, they allow pets and service dogs. Right down this hallway is just some restrooms, nothing too special. Hey, let's watch the elevator come up. I see some people down there a little bit. So going down this hallway, we are heading towards Von Maur, the Eatery, and JCPenney. That's cute, I like this. And now there's not really too much to say, we're just making our way towards the JCPenney and Von Maur wing. Here's the vacant Carson space. Right here is the other elevator next to the eatery or the food court. Smells good. You get to see me walk all the way through Yorktown Mall. Okay, please. We're heading next to an arcade place, and there used to be a former Sports Authority next to here, but now it's a UFC gym. An arcade. Sports Authority used to be right here, but now it's a UFC gym place. Oh, it's going to JCPenney. Yeah.